Hello everyone. Question is a company is setting up AWS Identity and Access Management IAM on an AWS account. Which recommendation complies with IAM security best practices? Option A, use the account root user access keys for administrative tasks. Option B, grant broad permissions so that all company employees can access the resources they need. Option C, turn on multi-factor authentication (MFA) for added security during the login process. Option D, avoid rotating credentials to prevent issues in production applications. Correct answer is option C. Question is, a company provides a web-based e-commerce service that runs in two availability zones within a single AWS region. The web service distributes content that is stored in the Amazon S3 standard storage class. The company wants to improve the web service's performance globally. What should the company do to meet this requirement? Option A, change the S3 storage class to S3 intelligent tiering. Option B, deploy an Amazon CloudFront distribution to cache web server content in edge locations. Option C, use Amazon API Gateway for the web service. Option D, migrate the website e-commerce servers to Amazon EC2 with enhanced networking. Correct answer is option B. Question is, a company is collecting user behavior patterns to identify how to meet goals for sustainability impact. Which guidelines are best practices for the company to implement to meet these goals? Select two options. Option A, scale infrastructure with user load. Option B, maximize the geographic distance between workloads and user location. Option C, eliminate creation and maintenance of unused assets. Option D, scale resources with access capacity and remove auto scaling. Option E, scale infrastructure based on the number of users. Correct answer is option A. You can download the complete list of recently updated contents from the link provided in the description. If you like this content, please like and subscribe. Question is, a company has set up a VPC in its AWS account and has created a subnet in the VPC. The company wants to make the subnet public. Which AWS features should the company use to meet this requirement? Select two options. Option A, Amazon VPC Internet Gateway. Option B, Amazon VPC NAT Gateway. Option C, Amazon VPC Route Tables. Option D, Amazon VPC Network ACL. Option E, Amazon EC2 Security Groups. Correct answer is option A. Question is, an auditor is preparing for an annual security audit. The auditor requests certification details for a company's AWS hosted resources across multiple availability zones in the US East 1 region. How should the company respond to the auditor's request? Option A, open an AWS support ticket to request that the AWS Technical Account Manager TAM respond and help the auditor. Option B, open an AWS support ticket to request that the auditor receive approval to conduct an on-site assessment of the AWS data centers in which the company operates. Option C, explain to the auditor that AWS does not need to be audited because the company's application is hosted in multiple availability zones. Option D, use AWS Artifact to download the applicable report for AWS security controls. provide the report to the auditor. Correct answer is option D. You can download the complete list of recently updated contents from the link provided in the description. If you like this content, please like and subscribe.